Once upon a time, there was a crow who lives in the forest. He was absolutely happy with his life, but one day he saw a swan and thought, "This swan is so white and I'm so black. It must be the happiest bird." The crow went to the swan and expressed his thoughts that you must be the happiest bird in the world because you are so white and beautiful. The swan replied, "Even I felt I was the happiest until I saw a parrot which has two colors. Now I think the parrot is the happiest bird." On hearing this, the crow said, "Then I would like to see Mr. Parrot." The crow then approached the parrot. He said, "You have two colors. You must be the happiest bird of the world." The parrot replied, "I was very proud of my looks and I was happy with my life until I saw a peacock. I have only two colors, but the peacock has multiple colors." On hearing this, the crow replied, "Oh, then I would like to see Mr. Peacock." The crow then went to the peacock. He said to the peacock, "Oh peacock, you are so beautiful with multiple colors. You are so lovely. But look, I'm so ugly with black color." The peacock replied, "I always thought that I was the most beautiful and happiest bird on the planet. But because of my beauty, I always entrapped and encaged. But now I realized that the crow is the only bird that is not kept in a cage. Crow is a free bird throughout his life." Now the crow realized that how blessed he was, and he thanked God. The moral of the story is, when we are happy with what we have and stop comparing with others, then we can be the happiest people in the world.